So my Sonde quit working. See, about a foot. You gotta be right up on it for it to pick up. So the frequency in the other head is not working properly. So I got a new one here. We're gonna see if this fixes the issue. Let's find out. So this is the Spartan Tools Traveler Light. And the Sonde is 512 hertz that it puts out this frequency. And it's real nice, quick disconnect. Get that nice and tight. Turn that back on. Give her a quick test. I use this Milwaukee locator. All right. Oh, picking it up already. That's the way it's supposed to be. Now we're back in business.